Education is what remains after one has forgotten everything he learned in school. Politicians and diapers must be changed often, and for the same reason. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Science without religion is lame. Religion without science is blind. Never argue with stupid people. They will drag you down to their level and then beat you with experience. We can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them. I never think of the future. It comes soon enough. Give every day the chance to become the most beautiful day of your life. Weakness of attitude becomes weakness of character. If you don't read the newspaper, you're uninformed. If you read the newspaper, you're misinformed. Two things are infinite: the universe and human stupidity, and I'm not sure about the universe. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Try not to become a man of success. Rather become a man of value. Blind belief in authority is the greatest enemy of truth. The more I learn about people, the more I like my dog. Never do these three things in front of your wife. Number 1, you have never cried in front of your wife, no matter how much pain, but you should never shed tears in front of her. Number 2, never do evil to her family in front of your wife. Number 3, never tell your wife about your earnings. If voting made any difference, they wouldn't let us do it. Never memorize something that you can look up.